Okay, so we're in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to work with dash lines and stroke end caps. So I got the pen tool here, and just going to draw a line, uh, normal line there. See my stroke's black. I'm going to get the stroke window out. Here we go. And if you might have it show up like this. So if it does show up like this, you're not going to be able to find all the stuff I'm looking at. So pop this flyout and hit Show Options. And now you have the cap. See that? It's not apparent at first what these are, but these are actually showing you what the ends look like. So if I zoom in here and select this guy, um, now you see that round end cap. That just looks better. I mean, for most intents and purposes. And then it can go out as soon and past the anchor point, or it can stop right at the anchor point like that. But so that's one. Yeah, and then you have corners. So if zoom out a little bit, I'm going to grab the pen tool and add on to this thing. I'm going to go down here, and now you have corners. See that? Looks cool. If you need it like that, and they have this like full bevel, and then you can align the stroke too. Well, you have to have it closed actually, because there isn't an inside and outside at the moment. But here, I'll show you real quick. Now you can change the stroke to the outside. See that? Or the inside, sorry. Outside or center. So that's cool. And then let's go dash line. So it's a 50-point dash with a 10 gap, and you can keep adding those if you want. Like you can just go, okay, and then I want the next one to be 40 and 5, and they get all weird. But for your standard one, yeah, let me get rid of that. Yeah, but maybe make this 20, and then you can these still apply. So yeah, the caps there, so it applies to the dash lines, corners. That does make a difference. Right there. So yeah, so you just want to play with these caps and then the dash lines, and that's really it. It's pretty nifty, especially if you just didn't realize what all these were. So hopefully that helps. Let me know in the comments below.